background and how to place that particular image on any new background. This would be helpful in mostly product photography. Let's say you have clicked some pictures from your phone or from camera and you want to remove the background on which you had placed it and you want to put it on entirely different background. Let's see how to do it. So I go to a tool called Remove.bg. You can browse that tool in your phone, or you can alternatively also use this tool on your desktops. And trust me, this is really helpful tool. Now it asks me to upload the picture of which I want to remove the background. So I upload. It asks me which picture, so I'm choosing some pictures from my gallery. So let's say I have added a product photography here. I have added a lehenga picture over here, which I took it from my camera, my mobile, and now I don't want this particular background. So if you see, it's like within 2-3 seconds, it's just removed the background, and you can see this was the frame, and now I have just my product. Now what I'll do is I'll save this picture. I downloaded this particular picture. Now it is saved to my gallery. Now what I want to do is I want to place this picture on some pastel colors or maybe any background. I go to this app called Canva. You have to make an account on it. You can directly make an account from your email ID and you can access all together on your phone. It'll look like this. Now I go to any, let's say I want to design an Instagram post. I clicked on Instagram post. I chose a blank template. Now I choose some background. I go to images. I go to images out here and let's say I choose some pastel colors. Now see if I get a lot of colors out here. There would be some free images, some would be paid images. Let's say I choose the first particular image. Now I just resized it to the background dimension I want. And now I added the picture which I want to add. Recently we just did one picture and which we saved. I'm just checking where the picture is. So I've added to my photos and now I go here. So here's the picture. Now I can resize it or howsoever I want to add it. So I've added this particular picture on a very different background. I can also do this with my pictures, and alternatively any product picture I can do with. I can even now, if I don't like the background, I can go and change the background altogether. Say for example, I choose some background of greenery, let's say here. So I can also choose any different picture. I can resize it. For example, I just wanted to place it on, let's say, just white background. So I've just placed it on white background and I've added a leaf out here. And I can download it. So this is really simple feature from which you can remove any background from any particular image, be it jewelry, be it any product, be your own picture, and you can put that particular picture on any different background where you want from. So try using this app called Canva and try using this feature Remove.bg. Remove.bg you have to access on your browser, say Chrome or Safari, whichever phone you are using, and even alternatively you can use it on your desktop as well.